What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be going over 5 different side hustles that you guys can get started with as soon as today, where you can make upwards of $1,000 a month. Now, a lot of you guys come to me with the same problem in regards of starting your online business. You don't have money to spend on marketing. Now, watch this video till the very end. I'm going to be giving you guys a free marketing strategy where you guys can drive traffic to your store with the $0 spent on marketing, generating sales for free, and all that good stuff. So, as I said before, watch the video till the very end. And as always, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you guys join the free Telegram group chat. The link is down in the description. And for those of you who also want to reach out to me on more of a personal level, one-on-one type thing, there is a link to book a consulting call, which is also in the description. So make sure you guys check that out. But without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video.
Looking for love, but love ain't never treat me right. Looking for love, but it's still like a side to side. Gave you my heart, but you didn't hold on to it tight. That's what we had.
So starting out with number 5, I'm gonna have to go with freelancing. Now, before you guys tell me this is a broad subject, everybody says this, hear me out. A lot of you guys will probably be thinking to yourself, oh, well, I don't know how to do video editing. I don't know how to build a website. I don't know how to use Photoshop. But here's the thing. You guys can get paid and hired for something as simple as just taking product pictures, for something as simple as just, using a specific product. Even if you go to, I believe, billow.app, you could sign up on there and you could register for a bunch of different gigs where people will send you their products. You'll just have to take a video with it. Usually UGC type content, like maybe a review, an unboxing, or anything of that sort, and they'll pay you out for it. So here's the good thing about it. You can put your services on a bunch of different freelancing platforms, such as Fiverr, Upwork, Billow, you name it. There's probably other ones out there that you can find. I can't think of them off the top of my head right now. But if you put your services on every single platform, eventually people will be hiring you on these separate platforms and you'll have a whole bunch of gigs that you could work. So for those of you who are thinking to yourself, freelancing is not something that's scalable, that is gonna bring me to number 4. Now, number 4 is something called drop servicing. So this is where you actually offer a service to a customer or a client, and then you go ahead and find somebody that's able to actually perform that service for the client, keeping you in the middle. It's kind of like drop shipping, except this is all done over the internet. This is all digital. So for example, you could open different accounts on all these separate platforms and create some type of agency or whatnot where let's say it was video editing. You could go ahead, hire video editors, and then post your video editing services at scale and have all these multiple different video editors actually do these videos. So somebody could come, for example, and ask for a dropshipping ad, and then you would go ahead, order that dropshipping ad from that video editor, and then you would sell it at a $5 or $10 markup, $20 markup, $30, whatever you guys want to sell it for. So you guys could probably do this for, the video shoot, product shoot, freelance gigs that I was talking about. You could probably go out, hire a whole bunch of models, and then post these, modeling gigs on your Fiverr account, on your Upwork account, on Billow, and then you could literally just assign it to, whatever models that you've hired, and then you keep whatever markup you have. Now, we're gonna head down to number 3. So number 3 is going to be affiliate marketing. Now, you don't need anything to start up to do this. Once again, everything that I'm gonna talk about in this video has absolutely no startup costs. So what is affiliate marketing, may you guys ask? Affiliate marketing is essentially a service where you guys can get paid out for promoting other people's products. Now, how are you gonna promote these products? If you guys maybe have a big social media page, a big TikTok page, you write blogs, anything like that, you even have a YouTube channel, whatever it is, you can even promote it to your friends. And it could be things just as simple as, sending a link that you found on Amazon, right? So Amazon actually does have a section called an affiliate section where you can go ahead and find different products that you're capable of promoting. You just have to use your personal affiliate link, put it in the description, put it in your bio, wherever you guys do want to promote it to. Leave the link there. Anytime somebody goes over to that Amazon link that is your specific link, you'll receive some sort of commission for whatever product you're selling. So if you head over to another website like ClickBank, they also have a whole bunch of different things that you guys could sell and promote for their businesses. So I personally know people who have made 6 and 7 figures doing this. So it is something that is very lucrative that you guys should definitely look into. The only thing that I will say is if you're gonna take sort of a blog route or like an article type route, doing this it can be very time consuming. As long as you stay consistent with it and you keep growing your blog, you should be good and you're gonna make a decent amount of money doing so. So like always, just stay consistent. And if you start something, make sure that you follow all the way through with it. Standing at the number 2 place, we're gonna go with growing, buying, and selling Instagram accounts. So keep in mind, buying and selling Instagram accounts could be slightly against Instagram's policy and you could get in trouble for it, but that doesn't stop the grind. But anyways, in order to buy an Instagram account, hit up meme pages, different affiliate pages that have a decent amount of followers. Make sure you go through the engagement and everything to qualify these pages and ask them if they're selling their account. So if they are, you could send them over the money and then, stay consistent maybe with a few posts, and then you could probably flip that page to another, similar page. So try to find these big pages, because oftentimes the big pages also have like sub accounts, like accounts that, are a lot smaller. You also have the option to start up your own meme page or your own sort of fan page for whatever you want it to be from scratch. So I'd probably start up a page following certain trends, memes, things that are going on in the world. Over time, the page is obviously gonna grow as long as you stay consistent with posting, and eventually people will start messaging you for Instagram shoutouts. So people like me that own dropshipping businesses will come to you and ask you, what are your rates? We need a shout out for our business, and you choose your rates. You give whatever rates you want to give. They purchase off you, you make the post, and it's as simple as that. Obviously, like I said before, there's absolutely no startup cost to this unless, you're gonna go ahead and buy a page right off the bat. But, if you're starting with $0, you don't have money to invest, you're obviously better off just starting up your own account. You could probably start up multiple accounts and schedule different posts every single day, between, 3 to 5 posts. Make sure you do research on Instagram algorithms and how to grow those pages. Once those pages get big, they usually sell for a very decent amount of money. So keep that in mind. It's not always about the short-term gain. You can also make a lot of money in the long run using this method. So coming in at the number 1 place, drumroll please. I gave you guys a hint at the beginning of the video. And of course, this is my personal favorite. As you guys know, my main source of income is e-commerce, dropshipping. So I'm gonna have to stop you guys right there. Before you say anything, before you click away from this video, I know you guys are probably thinking to yourselves, oh, there's a startup cost in marketing. As I promised, I'll give you guys a free way to actually go ahead and start a drop shipping store without any upfront cost. So what you're actually gonna wanna do, if you guys do have a hard time doing product research, I do have a few product research videos on my channel, so make sure you check those out. But nevertheless, find a product that you wanna sell that has, some sort of viral effect that you'd be able to sell on TikTok. As you guys know, it's not that hard to actually blow up a TikTok page. So just find one product that has a very, viral appeal and make a TikTok account, and then simply just take some content. You could order the product to your house, but if not, you want to start with $0, find content of that product, go ahead, post it on TikTok, and organically grow your page. Now, I've literally seen people take pages from 0 to, over 250,000, over 1 million followers in literally the span of 30 days. So this is something that is possible. And TikTok does have a very large market size. You're most likely, if you do have a good product and you're selling it at the right price, if you do post proper content, high quality content, and you do offer things for the right price, you will be able to probably very easily grow that page to over 100,000 followers within the first 30 days. And I can't stress this enough, guys. Just keep consistent with it and post every day. Even if some posts don't get that many views, some of your posts will blow up, and these are the posts that are actually gonna bring in those organic sales. I've seen people post their first video and it got 2 million, 5 million views or whatever, and their store was able to generate thousands of dollars in revenue. So I'm sure you guys could do the same, and this is definitely a strategy that is worth trying out. So there it is, guys, 5 side hustles you could go ahead and get started with as soon as today, where you can make upwards of $1,000 a month doing this. And I just want to give a huge shout out to everybody who stuck here till the very end of the video. As always, make sure you check the Telegram group chat. Free link to my group chat is down in the description below. And I also have the link to book a one-on-one consulting call. So make sure you guys do that. And as always, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
I wanna know what is love.